You're struggling to get clients for your agency, you don't need a massive budget. Like, you can run paid ads. I'm not saying this, you don't need paid ads to get clients, because paid ads is something that can help you get 10 leads to 100 leads very easily. But while if you're doing cold calling, if you're reaching out to clients through mobile, like cold calling or text message, it is too hard to get clients. But I will not say it is not possible. It is possible. I will say, listen to me closely so I can give you the trial. So what can I show you? I will show you the step-by-step process to land clients using cold outreach, so relationship building and delivering value. Let's get started. Like, starting with the cold outreach. Yes, you can get clients through cold calling if you're starting right now. If you don't have big budget, if you have like $1,000, $500,000, you can run paid ads right now and get clients. This is the best way. If you have $500,000, it's the best way to get clients for your agency right now. But if you don't have, go with cold calling, go with text message, go with DM outreach, anything. But I will still say DM outreach is very difficult. Like, you need to do thousands to 100 DMs to get 5 clients. I'm not saying it is very uh, uh, like the saturated or something like that. No, it's not. But it's too like, you need to do too much DM to get a client. You need to do too much cold email to get a client. So I'm not like, if you have time right now, because if you don't have time, use your money to get clients. If you have time, don't use your money, use your time to get clients, doing cold calling, doing cold DMs, doing cold emails. Because time, like, three factors are there: time, money, and the third I forgot it. Time, money, and wait, time, money, and I forgot the things. So sorry for that. I'll let you know after some time, because it's not an edited video. I'm okay. So I help agency owner to grow their business with the simple yet effective strategies, whether you're starting out or looking to scale. This video is going to give you the exact framework I use to consistently book meetings and close deals. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more actionable tips like this. So, like, starting the step one, yeah, time, money, and uh, hard work. I don't know. I think there's three, because if you have time, if you have money, your work will be done by someone else. Like, the work will be easy for you. If you don't have time, but you have money and hard work, do it consistently, you'll get money. That's the that's the three, I will say, factors to uh, from which the R3 revolves. So the first step is to getting clients is knowing who you are targeting. Like, you cannot sell to everyone, so focus on a specific niche. For example, gym owners, real estate agents, SaaS companies. Like, pro tip I will give: use LinkedIn, Google Maps, and industry directories to build a list of prospect in a Google Sheets, I would say. For example, if you're targeting gym, search for gym near me, or you can just search for gym near Texas, New York, United Kingdom, UK, London, whatever it is, London Barnet. So search on Google to get leads of, like, leads, full leads, by scraping Google Maps. And on Google Maps, yeah, know their content details, contact details, yeah, contact details. If it is possible, do email, so contact details. And use a tool to get Instagram account also. If you're doing a DM outreach, it'll be great. Like, if you get the uh, uh, I will say Instagram account, it'll be so good, because you can do DM outreach or you can do cold calling both. to land your first client. So that's the thing. And step 2, craft a killer outrage script. Many people will give it for free. Many people take, like, don't say anything for that, and they said it is for bad, like, you have to pay. But I'm giving it for free, completely free. And the secret for that, called outrage, works when it's personalized and valuable. And that's the secret. And more the cold outreach you'll do, more the clients you'll get. Here's simple script you can use. So, like, something like quick question, like, I'm not saying, hi, I noticed you run dash business name, like, fill up the business name, right? Fill up the business name and help people their mission achieve fitness goals. Like, I'm giving examples, sorry. And I specialize in helping gyms like yours double their leads without relying on referrals. Because many people will say use referrals to get clients, but the thing is that referrals is not the way to get clients, because it's too hard to get clients through referrals. So use paid ads to get your client, because the best way. Because you can use referrals also, but it is not scalable. You don't know after 2 months the referrals will still there or not, because it is in way you're getting clients, but in a not for a long run, it's for a short run, right? So like, would be open to quick 15 minute call to see how we can help. Like, I will say, don't use the script right now. Use a short script and personalize it. That's the best way to do outreach, DM outreach. Short script and personalize it. This is the secret. This is the ultimate way to get clients through DM outreach. And like, pro tip, you can always mention specific result you can deliver, like doubling leads or increasing bookings. Because this is the offer you can provide, like, I gonna work for you for free trial, until you not get results, you'll not pay me. After you get results for 15-day trial, you need to pay me, because I cannot do work for you for more for free. You need to pay me. After that you can say, because you're not, like, if you're good at something, don't do it for free. Can you understand mine? Okay. So build trust through social proof. Once you have booked a call, the next step is building trust. Share case studies, testimonials, or even mock results. Mock results is something that you work for free trial, and you can show that results to them, that here I help this agency, this business owners, this niche, helping get clients through paid ads, through Facebook ads, through Google ads, through my service. And I can help you to exactly do it the same thing. I would like for a 15-minute call in the next 72 hours, because try to get your clients in the next 72 hours, because this can help you to get a client an instant satisfaction. Like, don't say them that in a week, because it's a week, it's a too long period. So do it for 72 hours or 48 hours. Tell them, are you free in the next 72 hours or next 48 hours? If they say yes, go for it. And if they say no, also try to approach them in the next 70 to 48 hours, because this is the best time. Don't say it for next week or in this week, no. And that example I'm gonna give you, we help gym owners increase their leads by 30% in just 2 weeks with a simple strategy. If you don't have results yet, use hypothetical outcomes and position yourself as a problem solver. For example, for instance, imagine working up to 10 new leads every day. How would that impact your business? Did you get it? I think you're getting my point, right? And the step 4, I will say, handle objection with confidence. If you don't have confidence, then a prospect will ask again and again and again the same question as he was saying. So if you have confidence, if you have fucking confidence, right, the prospect will not ask too much question, because you are the leader. You need to think like that. You are the leader, and prospect needs your help, because you don't need their help. You are helping the prospect. You need to understand like that, because you need to know that you are helping the client. They are not helping you. You are the leader here. So handle objections are important, but they are also opportunities, I will say. Try to solve the objection handling, because don't fear from objection. Try to solve the objection. Here are some common ones on how to handle them. I'm gonna give you some, like, you can watch my series on sales, a complete series, complete course on YouTube for free. You can just go there, and like 5 to 6 videos I just posted for the sales. You can learn from like sales, how to do sales and everything, and you can get a client, and you can get a job also from sales. I'm saying it's for complete for free. You need to watch my complete series right now. This complete for free. Go and watch now. But I'm still giving some objections so you can handle them easily. Like first objection, I need to think about it. Okay, totally understand. Let me ask, what specifically would you like to think about? Maybe I can help clarify. Second objection, I don't have the budget. Okay, I get it, but let's add this as an investment. If we bring you 20 new clients, would not that cover the cost and then some? Okay. Third objection, we already rely on referrals. That's great, but what happens when referrals slow down? A consistent lead system ensures you're always growing. You need to show them that we are the one who gonna help you to get you growing, but you are right now will not help you to get you growing, because your system is this, can help you grow, but their system will not. So you need to show them. You need to clarify them. You need to help them. That's I will say again and again. You are helping them. They are not helping you, man. Okay, step 5. Deliver value before selling. That's a great point, because try to help prospect. Don't try to sell. Don't be so salesy. Don't be so pussy to your client before asking for a commitment. Offer something valuable. For example, a free audit of their online presence, a short PDF with actionable tips, a quick video analyzing their current strategy. Yeah, this position you as an expert and builds goodwill, because you're giving for free. You are not taking in money. You are giving everything. If you want a free like guide or PDF of how to run paid ads on Facebook, I can help you to give it for free, complete for free. Just comment, or I will give it in description. Just go on the description, and you'll find the PDF to get clients. Like, sorry, to run paid ads and to get clients, to run leads. To yeah, I think you're getting my point, right? So call to action, like I will say. Now that you have the framework, it's time to take action. Start by defining your niche, crafting your outreach, and booking your first call. If you want a free template for outreach script or a lead generation checklist, click the go to my Instagram right now and ask me. I can help you. I'm gonna help you here. So go to my Instagram, tell me what you need, and I will help you for sure. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more strategy to grow your agency. And I'm still saying their full series for sales, I just give you everything for free. You need to go there and learn from my series, learn from my course. It's completely free. Like, everything is for free, man. You need to get started. You need to go for it. You need to take the action. Everything is for free. So that's it for the video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking you for far. I'm rooting for you. Happy hunting.